if you eat fat-rich foods, will it help you burn fat? So your body burns what is given to it to some degree, and this is all also dependent on calorie intake as well. If the body has both easily on hand carbohydrate in the form of glucose in the blood and fats in the blood from a meal, we do tend to see that carbohydrate kind of gets burned first, and fat would be stored in that circumstance if the calorie requirement is lower than what has been consumed. But when you eat fat, you do burn more of it. So what this question I think is kind of getting at is, if you eat a high-fat ketogenic diet, is that going to cause you to burn more fat? And that is definitely true in the context of a high-fat, low-carbohydrate ketogenic diet. We know that this scenario reduces our blood glucose and our insulin levels and turns on a hormone called glucagon. Glucagon does, in fact, one of its effects is to stimulate lipolysis or fat breakdown. And this is all so that you can break down fats, either consumed or stored body fat, to convert some into ketones to fuel your brain while glucose availability is reduced. So in that sense, yes, when you eat a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet, your body does shift towards burning more fat and ketones than it would in another circumstance.